Hello, everyone. Welcome to New Tech. I am with another quick tutorial. How to fix an error occurred while checking for updates. Update check failed to start, an error code 3. Now, let's start. First, open any web browser on your PC. And, in the search bar, type Chrome Download. And hit enter. Then, click on the official Google Chrome download link from the search results. Now, click on Download Chrome. Then, click Save to start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the Chrome setup file. Wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. After installation, open your Chrome browser. Click the three-dot menu at the top right corner. Then, go to Help and About Google Chrome. Now, Chrome will automatically start checking for updates. Once it's done, click Relaunch to restart the browser. Great! It's working. Okay. That's it for today. I will see you in the next tutorial, with amazing and interesting topics. And, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel.